WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature, WhatsApp username. And in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can set up this username. So there's no need anymore to share your number, your phone number to people for them to connect with you. You can just share your username. So you have to go to those three icons up there, the three dots. You click there, then you click setting. It will take you to this page here. So when you are here, you are going to account, where we have account, the second option, as you can see on my screen. So when you click on account, this is what you will see. Down here where we have your account, you can see the first option is username, and that's what we are going to click on. So click username and it will bring you here, reserve a username. So why reserve a username? It is because they are rolling out this periodically. So it is not global, not everyone can access and use it. So you can see usernames are coming soon, reserve yours today. So here you can go and choose your username and you reserve it so that no one else can use it. It just becomes yours alone. So when you click there, you're going to set your username. So for me, I'm going to set mine. I'm Michael, so I can set, let me set michael.samuel.ke. I think that one will be good for me. michael.samuel.ke. This one, they are not available. It means these ones are taken. So let me use michael.samuel.ke. I see. Yeah, this one is mine alone, so this one is available. So from here, once it is green, you click continue, next, and it will load and create your username. So you can see reserve username michael.samuel.ke. yes, so you have to confirm, so it can be kept in your account center if you have other account, maybe Facebook, YouTube, like that. So if you click confirm, and wow, that's simple. You wait, it will load, it will take a few seconds, and just like that, you are done. So you can see you reserved michael.samuel.ke. soon you can share your username instead of your phone number when connecting with someone for the first time. We'll let you know when your username is available and blah blah blah. So you see, it is that easy, that simple, and you can say that everyone can contact you by your username. And also there's an option to edit, so you can go up there and click edit, whereby you can edit the username. You can also delete it, or you can change. So changing is editing, just the same thing. So it is just simple, very simple and easy. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.